In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin email to top of Microsoft Outlook inbox 5 minutes. Pinning keeps an important message locked at the very top of your inbox so you don't lose it under newer mail. Here's how to do it quickly and confidently. First, open your browser and go to Outlook at the official Microsoft sign-in page. Sign in as usual so you're looking at your mailbox. On the left navigation, click Inbox to make sure you're in the folder where you want the message to stay pinned. Pinning is folder specific, so if you pin something in your inbox, it will appear at the top of the inbox, not other folders. Now, pick the email you want to keep visible. This might be a message with a deadline, a meeting invite, or a note with information you reference often. Simply single click it so it's highlighted in the message list. With your pointer over that message in the list, pause for a moment. Outlook shows quick actions when you hover over an email. Look for the small pushpin icon that appears near the subject line or to the right side of the row. Click the pin icon. The message instantly jumps to the top of your inbox under a pinned heading. From now on, even as new mail arrives, that email stays at the top of the folder until you unpin it. If you don't see the pin right away, make sure you're hovering over the message row itself, not the reading pane. You can pin more than one email, they'll all gather in the pinned section in the order you pinned them. To unpin, click the same pushpin again, and the message returns to its normal place by date. Keep in mind that pinning is different from flagging. A flag is great for follow-ups and can add reminders, while a pin is purely about position in the list. Many people use both, pin for constant visibility, flag for a due date. Finally, if your inbox is sorted in an unusual way, switch back to the standard by date view for the most consistent pin behavior. And remember, pinning doesn't change the email's content or read status, it only makes it easy to find. That's it. Open Outlook, click Inbox, select the email, hover to reveal the push pin, and click it to keep that message front and center. Thanks for watching, and try pinning your top 3 messages to keep your day focused.